Hello everyone, welcome back to My Fluency Journey. Today I'm gonna speak about 5 minutes on some random topic, and this is topic two. So the topic is impact of music on emotions. So how can I try about this topic? So there are three important keywords: impact, emotions, and music. So firstly, we will clarify what these three topics or three words are. So what is impact? Impact is like uh, good force on something or good high. This is high impact player, which is a very great thing. And music is all know it's songs, music, uh, piano, flute, drums, and anything related to music sounds. Okay, and Emotions are emotions are related to our cognition or cognitive abilities. How we handle emotions. So, like I like music, and according to me, music can help heal during your anxieties, during uh, your sadness, during depression, because music has some really miracle power to heal your cognition, to heal your sadness through some mystical powers, because music is only thing you can listen and you can vibe with it. You can listen to songs and do mimicking the lyrics, so it will eventually uh, attract, or it will eventually attract your mind toward the music and removes from your anxieties, removes from your sadness, removes from other any activity. So it's really a good way to improve your mood, because music really improves your moods. So yeah, you should listen to musics, and there are many different type of musics. I personally like lo-fi musics because they give you some basic tunes and with some low language or low music, and these low music eventually heals you. And there are also some different type of therapies, like frequency therapies for depression, for also you can use these for meditations, like 528 hertz, some between 300 to 400 hertz of sounds. These are very good for activating your alpha beta. These are alpha beta waves, and for good for activating your brain. So you should know how to use these gamma rays, beta rays, and alpha rays. And I currently did not know what are the exact values at which these alpha, beta, and gamma rays will be induced by our brain. So means this give you some dopamine hit also. So you will feel some pleasure by listening the musics. So because dopamine is a very good hormone, it releases when you feel something good, or you wanted to do that activity again and again, because our brain releases dopamine for that activity, and listening music is one of that activity. So not so right, don't speak so too much time. Listening is uh, listening is a great activity, right? So you should listen to the musics. And I don't prefer funk musics because funk music is too energetic for me, and I didn't. They are too energetic and too vibrant, and they are too distracted. Like they actually kills your peace and stability in your mind. So I prefer do not listening to the funk songs. And sometimes the sad song also heal you, because they are just the lyrics are just, and the tunes are just created for the lowest side of our human beings. For example, when we are in the lowest, so you can also listen the sad songs. So yeah, there are many different type of songs like party songs. They give you some emotional vibrancy. Means they will give you happiness, dopamine hit. So you should listen to many party songs, and you should also dance with them. You should vibe with them. So yeah, you should be able to express your thoughts via music by listening to music, and you should also learn to play learn to play instruments like piano, flute, guitar, drums, because they will eventually heal you in such a way, and they will also create some cognitive development to learn the music and to know the music, or how to interpret the music. So yeah, that's how. And also you can I'm talking about these frequencies, so you should learn the science behind these frequencies. Currently I'm learning the science behind these activities, why these listening to 528 hertz eventually uh, slow your thinking power, and then make a focused mind. So you should listen to these type of knowledges from podcast, or in YouTube videos or articles. You should know about these type of activities. It will eventually help you out in your entire life. Okay, got it. So yeah, music is always a bigger part of your life. So you can uh, not increase the consumption power of do not increase the consumption time of the music, but listen to the music so that it will eventually heal your brain, and you can vibe with it. So yeah, this is my advice to you. So right, you can eventually help yourself. So yeah, listening music is a good activity, and you should do listen to the musics. Why I'm fumbling so much in this video, right? I don't know, but yeah, I am a bit improving, and I know how to express my ideas, and how to speak I know how to speak in real time any topic. I know how to speak any topic in real time. So yeah, okay. So goodbye. Like, share, and subscribe to My Fluency Journey. And okay, thank you.